How to open a demo account on MetaTrader 5. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can create a demo account on MetaTrader 5. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to create a demo account, first of all, you need to download the MetaTrader 5 application onto your device, which is easily available on Google Play Store. So you may just simply go to Google Play Store and search for MetaTrader 5 and tap on install. After the installation is complete, you may just launch it. After launching it, on the very first screen, you will be able to see open and demo account option. So what you need to do is simply tap on open an account and go further with the process. So in order to go with the further process, you need to fill up this form where you need to enter your name, second name, phone number, email, and server, account type, leverage, and deposit. So the first name, you may just enter your first name, second name. You may just go further with the process. After that, simply tap on register. After that, you need to wait for a few seconds and it will load up. After that, you can see how I have successfully created my demo account. So you may just simply tap on done, and just like that, you can use this demo account in order to use MetaTrader 5. So therefore, by following this method, you can easily create a demo account on MetaTrader 5. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.